we still might get cold, I'm gonna jump the gun and make 2 hanging baskets. And the cool thing is I get to use genetics from 2 of my favorite companies. Pan American, which is the supplier of these petunias, and Concept Plants, which is the supplier of this cordellini. So I've been growing the cordellini since last fall. I overwintered them in a heated shed. And now I'm just gonna plug the petunias into the base of that and hang them. And then if we get cold, like really below 40 is my baseline, I'll just be able to bring them back into the shed for the night and, you know, zone bend for a little while as we get through those temperature fluctuations of spring. Okay, now that I have my hanging baskets replanted for the spring season, I want to explain what I use to plant them in. So my favorite soil is Soil3, and I have now started using this even in the ground and as my exclusive potting mix. And the reason I like it so much is that it holds more water, so I don't have to irrigate nearly as often as when you use traditional potting soil. The main difference between this compost and all the other compost is that it's made with 3 distinct ingredients: 1/3 hay, 1/3 cow manure, 1/3 decomposed grass clippings. And because there's so much green matter incorporated into this compost, it drains well enough that you don't have problems with root rot. So I'm not encouraging you to use straight animal manure as your soil base in containers. I really want you to look up the benefits of using Soil3. And for those of you who garden in North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia, you have access to this and they deliver straight to your house. So you don't have to worry about going in and picking it up. All right, have a great day, and I hope you'll make some beautiful hanging baskets just like me.